Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we're going to be learning how to do a confirmation before we delete any item via JavaScript and also PHP. All right. So some of you have emailed me and messaged me and asked me how to do this. I'm going to show you in this lecture how easy it is to do this, and I think it's very useful to have this feature in our CMS. All right. So there we go. Now we are in post.php, and I just have one post here, and the goal here is to, when we click delete, we want to have these bots here appear saying, are you sure you want to delete this message? Yes or no, right? And if we click cancel or no, then the message doesn't get deleted. But if we click OK, then it gets deleted from our database. So let me show you how to do that. Let's go. I want you to go to view underscore all posts, view underscore all underscore post.php, and for me it's going to be on line 166. It might be a different line for you. All right, and this is inside includes right there. All right, so now what we need to do is, and for those of you that don't know JavaScript, make sure that you take my JavaScript course. It's going to show you a lot of useful information with JavaScript, and if you are in web development, you need JavaScript. There's no way around it. And to make it better, the jQuery course that I got will make your JavaScript more powerful. All right. But anyway, so what we need to do, we have an anchor tag right here. This is the anchor tag that we use to send the GET request, right, to delete this. So what we need here is to add some JavaScript. So we're going to add a function called, or an event handler, right, on click. So we add this on click here. So that means when we click on this link, something's going to happen. All right. What we want to do is we want to escape this like this. All right. And we want to escape the other. There we go, like this. Now between here, I'm gonna write my JavaScript. So I'm gonna say JavaScript. All right. And we can say return, and then we're going to use a function from JavaScript. It's going to be called confirm. This function is going to pop up a bot right in the middle of your screen asking you, the question. So we could say whatever we want here. We could say, are you sure you want to delete? All right. So let's just make sure everything is right here. Okay. So once we do that, that's it. That's all we got to do. There's nothing else that we got to fix here. We wrote our JavaScript. Everything should be working according to plan. Let's just save it. You see how easy that was, right? So now we refresh here and we click delete, and it's going to ask us, are you sure you want to delete this message? All right. Well, it doesn't say message, but it says delete, right? I'm going to cancel and nothing gets deleted. But if I click again and I say OK, then this post gets deleted. All right. And I just figure out, I just said message. All right. Don't mind me, disregard that message word that I just said. All right. But anyway, here you go. Now you can add this functionality to anything you want in our CMS. I think it's a very useful functionality. Thanks for those students that suggested this. And every time you send me a suggestion, I write it down. And when I have time, I'll add it to the CMS. All right. So remember, we add the on click. Make sure that C is capital right here. All right. That's the best way of writing it. And then escape your double quotes. And then write JavaScript colon. And then return the confirm function with some strings in there. All right, perfect. And make sure that you escape it here also. So anyway, there you have it. For those of you that wanted this functionality, you got it. Your instructor cares, and I want you to learn more and more every single day. So keep motivated, keep doing the course. You're doing a very good job if you got this far, and you're awesome. Thank you, and I see you in the next lectures.